Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save your favorite fonts in Canva. This is a great way to quickly access the fonts you use most and speed up your design workflow. Let's take this text as an example. If you like this font and want to add it to your favorites, all you need to do is click the text, then go to the font name in the upper part of your dashboard to select it. Once you're there, click the three horizontal lines, then click the star icon. That's it. The font is now added to your favorites. We can also add more fonts if we want. Just select another font and click the star icon to add it to your starred fonts as well. If we ever want to remove a font from our favorites, simply click the star icon again to unstar it. This makes it easy to organize and keep track of the fonts we use most in Canva, saving time and keeping our designs consistent across projects. When we're done, all we need to do is click Save. And that's how we save our favorite fonts in Canva.